In this tutorial, we are going to explore the settings in the home page layout. So right now, this is the home page layout and we are going to see all of these settings one by one. So this is post info, which means the information which you are seeing here right now, this is called post info. So let's say you want to display different items on the home page. So basically these are the settings. Let's say you want to disable the published on date, and now you want to enable the last updated date. So this is how you can do it. Just click on this I button and it will get activated automatically. Now let's say you want to show the comment count. Click on comment count and now it would show categories. Now it would show the categories of the article also. Now the good thing about this setting is you can drag and drop and you can change the order of these settings. Let's see how to do that. Let's assume that you want to show the author name at the end of this post info. So just click on it, drag and drop at the end, and now you would see the live preview here. It is at the end right now. Do you want to show the categories first? Just drag and drop, take it to first, and now the categories would come at first. So this is how simple it is to change the post info. Now let's move to the next setting. This is called excerpt length. This is the excerpt. Now let's say you want to disable this excerpt on the home page. So we have given the setting for that also. Just make it 0 and now there won't be any excerpt. Can you see that? There is no excerpt on the home page now. So you can just disable it by making it 0. Let's make it 120 once again, and now we would see the excerpt here. Now the next setting is content padding. The padding is this area, this particular area, this white space which you are seeing right now. This is called padding. Now let's say you want to reduce it. So just go into the settings and let's say you want to reduce the left padding to 20. Can you see? It has reduced. And the right padding to 20. You see it has reduced. Let's reduce the top one also. Top, make it 20. Now you see this is thinner now. So this is the padding setting where you can just put any value, whatever the value you want, and you can increase or decrease the padding of the content. Okay, the next setting is post title. So here we have given the setting that if you want to put any particular font here or even any particular color here, you can do that. Let's say you want to change the font. Here I would put any font, let's say Roboto, and if I select this, now you can see the font has changed. Do you want to increase the size? Let's make it 28. Can you see it is increasing? Do you want to change the color of this? Yes, the color is also changing. So these are all the settings for the home page. This is the home page right now, and you can make any changes on the home page. You can make all of the design changes, you can make all of the color changes on the home page itself. And meta typography settings are also there. Do you want to change the color of the meta typography as well? Just go there and click on it, and now you see the color has already changed. So these are all of the settings for the home page, and this is how you can make your home page attractive, and this is how you can make the different changes as per your needs.